Welcome to Anjak TV. We will start by measuring and cutting the illustration board to size. Our project for today is the Enderman. As always, use cutter with adult supervision. We will be cutting the eye portion for our next step. This is a new feature. We got an old face shield and cut it to size using a pair of scissors. We will try to fit it inside the face like this. We will be using cellophane, color blue, and color pink. For the blue, we will cut 2 rectangular pieces for the eyes. Now we will apply glue on all the surface and carefully adhere the pink cellophane and finish by trimming the edges. Now we will in turn glue the square piece inside the face. Now to assemble the jaw. For this step, we will ask an adult to assist us. An LED bulb with socket and 3 attached wires will be glued on the uppermost part of the chamber of the head. We will insert the extended wires on a tube that we made on the jaw. Now to extend the flat cord with electrical tape. Cover all the parts with black colored paper. Pair of legs. Pair of arms. Body. The head and the jaw. We have made a separate structure like this. We will insert a straightened wire onto the holes. We will bend the other end as a lock. This will serve as a hinge for the leg. Now to insert the flat cord through the body. Through the legs like this. Now we will glue the structure firmly on the body and also the head on the body. Now to attach the arms onto the shoulders. Notice the protruding screw on each shoulder. We will lock it with a washer using liquid adhesive. Now that all is assembled, we're ready to go and chase
the auto black, the Enderman mob. Enderman mob.
Enderman mob.
Let's go! Thank you for watching. Watch out for